How to fix escape from Tarkov backend error. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, check the server status. For this, launch a browser, type EFT server status, press enter, click on this link. If the server is facing outage, you will see here red mark or other color mark. Now the server is intact, so green color dots are showing. If the server is facing outage, then wait until it is restored. If the server is not facing outage and still you are getting the error, you can try some methods to fix it. First of all, on the escape of Tarkov game, go to settings, server, and check the option enable BSG servers. After enabling BSG servers, restart Tarkov. Then the game should work perfectly. If the issue still persists, then verify the integrity of the game file. For this, go to Steam. Suppose this is the escape from Tarkov game. Then right click on it and select properties. On this pop-up, click on installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. Then check the issue should be fixed. If the problem still occurs, then change DNS server addresses. Click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, right click on the running adapter, select properties, select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on properties. Select this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Click on close. Close the control panel network connections and restart your computer. Try to play the escape from Tarkov game. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.